Yeah, I got that power, all up in my skin. Listen to the spirit, he gon' tell me I'm a king. I don't gotta doubt, I don't gotta vent. Separate myself till I'm looking at a blimp. Appreciating life, but I want more. Believing that I'm rich, I'm tired of thinking poor. Poverty was present, but my future ain't in poverty. Forget a nice whip, I'ma buy a little property. Settling for less, that ain't nah. Shopping when I'm broke, yeah, that ain't fly. Made it out the hood, man, that ain't high. Legacy to leave, cause that won't die. Settling for less, that ain't nah. Shopping when I'm broke, yeah, that ain't fly. Made it out the hood, man, that ain't high. Legacy to leave, cause that won't die. Feeling all this greatness, I know my time ain't wasted. I go, already made it, already made it. Yeah, feeling all this greatness.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Pink Jeep Kiki, right here with my mama. And we got the Momster truck in the background if you don't know. So she about to give us a grand tour of her Jeep. Let's check it out.
Okay everybody, this is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited. I got the cheapest one, so we can do this to it. Okay, first of all, I bought it from Ziegler up in Schaumburg, 2017. With all the mods practically put on. This way, the warranty would be covered. All right, here, I have the cargo cage, right? That was $200. Actually, it came with all the parts, okay? 2017, brand new. Cost me about $48,000 with the aftermarket parts. The only thing I did add to it was the armor. I added the armor. I powder coated my rims from CPC Coating in Crest Hill, Illinois. Which Symbolic Customs in Joliet on Broadway, they did everything. Everything. They powder coated the rims. They sent it to CPC, but they did this. He put the armor on. He put the doors on, which the doors was about $700, $7-ish, something like that. He charged me $750 for 5 rims, powder coated, which the rims were on there when I bought it. It just dipped them. Then he re-dipped these, $150 for this and my gate, which was rusted out. But he charged me only $150. He put the lights on, which the lights I bought from 4 Wheel Parts in Naperville, Illinois, on Ogden. Okay? But it came with the doors, the armor I put on here. Let me see, the bumper. This came with it, which Symbolic Customs in Joliet put on as well. The grill, Symbolic Customs. I think he charged me about $250. I'm not sure. I believe it's about $250. He did the paint job on it, which I bought it brand new with the paint job. He put the lights on it, and actually I bought an aftermarket clear see-through panoramic roof, but I do not have it on today because I took everything off. That clear see-through roof is great. Wintertime, summer, rain, does not leak, okay? Does not leak. I leave it on. It was about $1,100. Too much for plastic though, okay? And that's it.
All right. Cool.
It's all good though. I love it.
I go, already made it, already made it. Yeah, feeling all this greatness, I know my time ain't wasted. I go, already made it, yeah, already made it. Settling for less, that ain't nah. I ain't shopping when I'm broke, yeah, that ain't fly. Made it out the hood, man, that ain't high.